Vaishnavas are like that. Despite thousands of faults, they see, 0.001% some goodness. Let me move that decimal point. And gradually, 3-4 years. And then 3-4 more years. All of a sudden, it's like 1%, and then 10%, and then 100%, and then 1,000%, 10,000. All of a sudden, 1,000,000% good. But you started out as 0.00001%. So you want the best return on investment? What do? Take shelter of Guru and Vaishnavas who have that bhakti ras, who are Nirag, not material rag. Nirag Vaishnav. Otherwise, the medicine they are giving is contaminated by their own desire for love, puja, pratishta, honor, prestige, adoration, kanaka, kamani, pratishta, gold, women, enjoyment, prestige. Very dangerous. Where's the Nirag Vaishnav? The Vaishnav who will chastise you. You should go there. If a billionaire goes to a Vaishnav and the Vaishnav chastises them and breaks their false ego and doesn't ask for anything, and then they leave and criticize that person, then that's Nirag Vaishnav. Right? They don't want anything. They just want to help the conditioned soul achieve the goal of life. So that Vaishnav, otherwise, a Vaishnava mukud girnam putam harikatamritam sharpochistam yatapayam. It's like poison, snake, giving its poison in the milk. Milk is good. You should take the milk. We should drink the milk, right? But now the poison is there, so we don't take the milk. It's a very hard consideration. It's very beautiful, very sweet, very nice sounding. But I don't know, is it bona fide or not? So, Bhagavatam, Sukadev Goswami, why did everyone give Sukadev Goswami the position to speak? Parikshit Maharaj said, I have 7 days to live, what should I do? Who should I hear from? Everyone gave the seat to Sukadev Goswami. Many people were there, very qualified. Ved Vyas was there, but they recognized, this is Nirag Vaishnav. Completely free from the tiniest, teeny little bit of material desire and attachment. Sukadev Goswami, Vyasadeva was running behind him. Oh, Putra, my son, my son. Son? Prabhupada says, so on. And so on, and so forth, and so on, and so forth. With no end. And so forth means, and my father. Son and father, son and father. I remember Prabhupada would give these lectures when I was doing Guru Darshan in Hindi, he would say, like very heavily, right? Why are you getting married, doing all this life? My father did it. Why did he do it? His father did it. Why did he do it? His father did it. But in the beginning of creation, all the first sons of Daksha, he said, Narad Muni, be their guru. What happened? They all became like Narad Muni. Hey, Badmash, this is not good guru. Then he gave next, later on, again he gave to Narad Muni, and they all became sannyasis. Nowadays, many people say, no, sannyas is bad. No one should become sannyasi. Until you're 100 years old, you should be in married life. But Gurudev said, no. You see with Gurudev had this core of devotees. Anyone who's a little ready, you, not just men. Bandhav Lasini Mataji, Shamarani Mataji, Umadidi Mataji, all more than sannyasis. Shamarani Didi Mataji, more than sannyasis. Right? Because, right, Savita Didi, Kavita Didi, all these, more than sannyasis. Because they're answering the call of Krishna's flute.